Topic: column. Presence or absence of a cavity between the body wall and the gut wall is very important in classification. The body cavity, which is lined by mesoderm, is called column. Animals possessing column are called coelomates. Example: annelids, mollusks, arthropods, echinoderms, hemichordates and chordates you can see in figure 4.3a. In some animals, the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm is present as scattered pouches in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Such a body cavity is called pseudocolumn and the animals possessing them are called pseudocoelomates. Example: Ashelmanthus you can see in figure 4.3b. The animals in which the body cavity is absent are called acoelomates. Example: Platyhelminthus you can see in figure 4.3c. Topic: segmentation. In some animals, the body is externally and internally divided into segments with a serial repetition of at least some organs. For example, in earthworm, the body shows this pattern called metameric segmentation and the phenomenon is known as metamerism. Topic: notochord. Notochord is a mesodermally derived rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development in some animals. Animals with notochord are called chordates and those animals which do not form this structure are called non-chordates. Example: Porifera to echinoderms. Topic: classification of animals. The broad classification of Animalia based on common fundamental features as mentioned in the preceding sections is given and you can see in figure 4.4. The important characteristic features of the different phyla are described. Topic: phylum Porifera. Members of this phylum are commonly known as sponges. They are generally marine and mostly asymmetrical animals you can see in figure 4.5. These are primitive multicellular animals and have cellular level of organization. Sponges have a water transport or canal system. Water enters through minute pores called ostia in the body wall into a central cavity called spongiosal, from where it goes out through the osculum. This pathway of water transport is helpful in food gathering, respiratory exchange and removal of waste. Choanocytes or collar cells line the spongiocele and the canals. Digestion is intracellular. The body is supported by a skeleton made up of spicules or spongin fibers. Sexes are not separate called hermaphrodite, that is, eggs and sperms are produced by the same individual. Sponges reproduce asexually by fragmentation and sexually by formation of gametes. Fertilization is internal and development is indirect, having a larval stage which is morphologically distinct from the adult. Examples: Cycon, Scypha, Spongilla, fresh water sponge, and Euspongia, bath sponge.